Rabies, hydrophobia. It is an acute fatal encephalomyelitis caused by a single-stranded RNA virus Lyssa virus type 1. It is a zoonotic disease transmitted to humans by bite, lick, scratch of infected animals, commonly dogs. It is an ancient disease mentioned even in Vedas. Rabies word is derived from Sanskrit word, rabhas, means, to do violence. Celsus found relation of saliva of infected dog to human disease in 1st century AD. Louis Pasteur developed first vaccine against rabies in 1885. Rabies is uncommon in developed countries. It is mainly seen in Indian subcontinent, 80%, and Africa. In India, it is not seen in Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. If disease is not seen for 2 years in humans and animals, then that area is termed as rabies-free. Maldives country does not have human or animal rabies. Pathogenesis. There is no predilection for age or sex, even though it is observed more in children and adult males. 95% of rabies develops due to bite of rabid dog, occasionally cat, urban rabies. Other animals that can transmit rabies are monkey, horse, fox, cows and buffaloes, donkey, pig, sheep, camel, elephant, mongoose, jackal, bear, wildlife, sylvatic rabies. In India, transmission is not observed through bats, rodents and birds. Bat rabies, vampire bat, is seen in parts of USA and Latin American countries. B. Figs. 1.121a. Asymptomatic carrier stage occurs only in animals, but they are unlikely to be infective. Only symptomatic animals are considered to be infective. Rabies virus is bullet-shaped envelope virus, 75 nanometers times 180 nanometers with numerous glycoprotein spikes to help in attachment of virus and also to induce antibodies. Natural occurring rabies virus is called a street virus, which shows long incubation period of 20 to 60 days. Serial passage of this virus to brain of rabbits creates fixed virus, which has got short incubation period of 4 to 6 days, which does not show negri bodies. This fixed virus, which cannot multiply in extraneural tissues, is inactivated to prepare vaccine. Infection commonly occurs by animal bite, often by licks, scratches. Licks on abraded skin and licks on abraded or unabraded mucosa can cause infection. Licks are often ignored dangerously. Severity of infection depends on viral load in the animal saliva and class of wound. Aerosol transmission is found in bats or in laboratory workers. Person-to-person transmission can occur even though it is rare. Rabies may get transmitted through organ, corneal transplantation. Virus multiplies at the site of infection and ascends, through the peripheral nerves into the CNS to develop negri bodies in the brain, leading into fatal encephalomyelitis. From the brain, virus descends into different tissues like salivary glands, muscles, heart, adrenals and skin. It also involves salivary glands to get secreted in the saliva to cause infection. Clinical features. Incubation period is 3 to 6 weeks, but rarely can be up to many years. Prodromal symptoms like fever, headache, pain, tingling sensation at the site of bite. Hyperexcitability and irritability, increased muscle reflexes and spasms, increased salivation, sweating, lacrimation. Hydrophobia, fear of water, and aerophobia, fear of air, is pathognomonic. Mental instability, dilatation of pupils. Symptoms are aggravated by swallowing water or blowing air on them. Once disease starts, patient die in 72 hours. Fear of water is seen only in affected human beings, not in animals. B. Classification of wounds. XX Class 1. Touching or feeding the diseased animal, lick over intact skin or scratches without oozing of blood. XX Class 2. Licks on broken skin, scratches with blood ooze, and all bites except overhead, face, palms and fingers. Minor wounds less than 5 in number. XX Class 3. All bites overhead, face, palms and fingers. Lacerated wounds, wounds more than 5 in number, wild animal bites, and contamination of mucous membrane with saliva. B. Indications for anti-rabies vaccination XX. All rabid animal bites XX. If animal is killed or dies during 10 days of observation period XX. Bite by an unidentified animal XX. If laboratory tests in animal show positive for rabies XX. All wild animal bites. Vaccines for rabies. 1. Nervous tissue vaccine. A. BPL inactivated vaccine. It is nervous tissue vaccine. It is 5% emulsion of the infected brain of the sheep containing the inactivated fixed virus. It is sample vaccine. Mode of administration: subcutaneously into the abdominal wall using long needle. Joseph Meister received first anti-rabies vaccine, ARV, in 1885. In olden days, it was given for 15 to 21 days. Antibody develops in 7 to 30 days. Protection lasts only for 6 months. Booster doses are given if needed. Side effects: headache, palpitation, allergic reactions, redness, tenderness and swelling at the site of the vaccination. Post-vaccinal neuroparalysis, a dangerous life-threatening complication. During therapy, patients should avoid alcohol and steroids. B. Nervous tissue vaccine derived from suckling mouse, less than 9 days old, brain. Fuezalida vaccine is used to reduce neuroparalytic complications as suckling mouse has low myelin neuron. It is given for 10 daily doses, then on 20th and 30th day. 2. Avian vaccines. Duck embryo vaccine, DAVE, it has got less neuroparalytic side effects. It can cause egg protein allergy. Purified duck embryo vaccine, PDEV 1 ml, is available in India. 3. Cell culture vaccines. They are more potent and safer. Human diploid cell vaccine, HDCV 1 ml, safest vaccine. It is prepared using fixed virus in human diploid fibroblast cells. But it is costly. It is available in India. Second generation tissue culture vaccines. They are potent and cost effective. They are derived from non-human based sources. Examples are chick embryo fibroblast, purified chick embryo cell culture vaccines, PCECV 1 ml, fetal bovine kidney, hamster kidney cells, verocells, purified verocell rabies vaccine, PVRV 0.5 ml. Dosage: 2.5 IU in 1 ml. 1 ml is given IM into the deltoid on 0, 3, 7, 14, 28 and 90 optional days. Side effects: headache, redness at the site, fever. No other serious side effects. Second generation tissue culture vaccine can be given intradermally also. Intradermal dose is 1/5 of the intramuscular dose, 0.1 ml. Wound treatment: proper local wound care reduces the chances of rabies infection by 80%. Immediate cleaning and washing of the wound with running water for 15 minutes is essential to reduce the viral load at the wound site. If soap is available, soap water is also used. It is better to wash with warm water if available. Wounds should be cleaned with virucidal agents like alcohol, tincture, povidone iodine. Savlon or carbolic acid or nitric acid should not be used. Wounds should not be closed. ARS should be injected locally. In deep wounds it may be closed only after 48 hours with loose sutures after thorough washing. ARS, horse or human, should be injected to all wounds locally. One should not scrub the wound. One should not touch the wound with bare hands. One should wear gloves to touch the wound. Passive immunity. It is used in all severe exposures, Class 2 and Class 3, and in all wild animal exposure. Present recommendation is inject. TN of ARS with vaccine in all exposed patient irrespective of the class. Types of antirabies serum, ARS. Horse antirabies serum, horse, equine ARS, it is given on first day with a dose of 40 U, kilogram body weight, maximum up to 3000 units. Half is given into the wound and another half given into the gluteal muscle, IM, single dose. It prevents the multiplication of the virus at the wound site. It also prolongs the incubation period. Passive immunity should always be combined with vaccine therapy. ARS needs test dose prior to injection of full dose. Side effects: serum sickness, anaphylaxis. Human rabies immunoglobulin, HRIG. Dose is 20 units per kilogram body weight. Part is injected into the wound, remaining part into the gluteal muscle, IM, single dose. Patient should be immunized actively along with serum with additional booster doses. Side effects are rare here. Post-exposure prophylaxis. Cell culture and purified duck embryo vaccines are used as they are safe and efficacious. All vaccines should be given to deltoid region, never to gluteal region, as due to high fat content vaccine would not get absorbed into circulation rapidly and so immune response may not be optimum. Vaccines should be stored at 4 to 8 degrees Celsius after reconstitution and should be used immediately. Mode of injection: A. Intramuscular into deltoid region, SN regimen. It is commonly used and technically easier, but higher dose is required compared to intradermal. It is injected at a schedule of 0, 3, 7, 14, and 28 days and booster at 90 days. First dose should be combined with ARS, preferably HRIG. Multi-site IM regime is often used as follows. First dose on day 0, 2 doses of IM vaccine is injected, 1 on each side deltoid. Later single doses on 7 and 21 days, as 0, 2, 7, 1, 21, 1. B. Intradermal route. 1. Two-site intradermal method is used. 1/5 of the IM dose of selected vaccine is used. 2 sites on the day 0, 3, 7 and 1 site on the days 28 and 90. PVRV 0.1 ml, PCECV 0.2 ml, PDEV 0.2 ml. 2. 8-site intradermal method is used. On day 0, 8 sites intradermal injections at both deltoids, both suprascapular, both thighs, both lower quadrants of abdomen are given. On day 7, on 4 sites, both deltoids, both thighs intradermal injections are given. On days 28 and 91, dose on each day intradermal vaccine is injected at 1 site. HDCV 0.2 ml is used. It is like 0, 8, 7, 4, 28, 1, 91. In whatever type, on first day, 0, rabies immunoglobulin should be injected locally as well as IM. Post-exposure vaccination: if individual has been vaccinated earlier, doses on days 0, 3, and 7 are given. But ideally assessed by serum antibody level, should be more than 0.5 U per milliliter. Passive immunity is not given in individuals who had vaccination earlier. Pre-exposure prophylaxis. It is given to veterinarians, animal handlers. Dose: 1 ml of cell culture vaccine IM or 0.1 ml intradermally on days 0, 7, 28. Serum titer for antibodies should be assessed after 1 month. If it is less than 0.5 U per milliliter, then 1 booster dose is injected. Booster doses are given once in every 2 years. B. Rabies in dogs incubation period, 10 days to 8 weeks. Types: A. Furious type. Here dogs are aggressive like a mad dog. Dog changes its behavior with loss of fear of human beings, bites objects, eat, mud, etc. Running amok, voice change, inability to bark properly, excessive salivation and foaming, paralysis and death. B. Dumb type. Dog is paralytic and sleepy. There is no aggressiveness at all. Dog sleeps for 3 days and dies. Once symptoms of rabies develop in a dog, it rarely survives more than a week. Dog brain is sent for study in 50% glycerol saline solution. Laboratory tests to confirm rabies in dogs, animals: XX fluorescent antibody test, FRA test. It is reliable test. If FRA test is negative in brain of animal, then even if dog is rabid, its saliva does not contain virus. FRA test is positive at any stage of the disease. XX microscopic examination of the brain of the infected dead animal to look for negri bodies. It is seen in 90% of dead rabid dogs. XX mouse inoculation test is very sensitive test. 10% brain tissue emulsion in saline is centrifuged at 2000 revolutions per minute for 10 minutes. 0.03 milliliters stop fluid is injected intracerebrally into the suckling mouse to demonstrate rabies in 8 days in mouse. XX corneal test is simpler but negative result does not rule out the infection possibility. Immunization in animals. A. BPL inactivated nervous tissue vaccine, 20% infected sheep brain suspension, single dose 5 ml to dogs, 3 ml to cats. Second dose after 6 months. Then once a year regularly. B. Modified live virus vaccine, 33% infected chick embryo suspension, dose 3 ml single dose which is repeated once in 3 years. C. Oral vaccines are used successfully to control wild foxes in Canada by placing vaccine in food through baits. B. Remember about rabies. XX control of stray dogs and immunization of all dogs will reduce the incidence of rabies. XX prevention is the only way in rabies. Established rabies cannot be treated, 100% mortality. XXHTCV and PCECV dose is 1 ml. PVRV is 0.5 ml. I am into deltoid anterolateral aspect of thigh in children, never gluteal region. XX day 0 is the day of first date of vaccination, not day of bite. XX interchanging of vaccines is even though acceptable but not well recommended and ideally should be avoided. XX vaccine dose is same in all age groups. XX reconstituted vaccine should be used immediately. XX vaccine dose may be doubled in first dose if ours is not used in bites of face, head, hands and genitals, in malnourished patients, in patients who are on steroids, antimalignancy drugs, antimalarials, in pregnancy, lactation, infants, elderly, HIV and immunosuppressed individuals. Consumption of unboiled milk of a rabid cattle amounts for class 3 bite and needs prophylaxis vaccine. XX pet dog should be examined periodically by veterinary doctor. Usual vaccination method used in dog is, at 3rd month of age, 1 month later, and later yearly booster doses, 0, 6 months and then yearly is also used. Pet dog should be prevented from coming into contact with stray dogs. XX dietary or alcohol restriction is not needed during vaccination as it will not alter immune response. XX concomitant other vaccine injection along with rabies vaccine can be done but at different injection site as there is no interference with immune response. XX there is no contraindication for rabies vaccine as it is life-saving method. XX all cases of dog bite should receive initial vaccine and ARS immediately. If the dog remains healthy even after 10 days of observation period, vaccine is discontinued. Virus can be present in saliva 3 days before onset. Once symptom begins, dog cannot live for more than 4 days. Safe period of 3 days is added and so total 10 days is observed. XX virus can present in semen of a rabid man. So if he had contact with his wife within 5 days prior to symptoms, then wife should be vaccinated as class 3 with HRIG. XX if by mistake vaccine is given to gluteal region, fresh full course of vaccine to deltoid region should be started. XX there are no single shot vaccines available. It is a myth. XX antiviral drugs are of no use. XX modern CCVs are very safe and efficacious. XX intradermal route of 0.1/0.2 ml is the best route. XX Equinus Rs is cheaper and equally effective, but test dose should be given to prevent reaction. XX rabid dog will never have hydrophobia. Rabid dogs can swim through water or can even drink water. Aerophobia and photophobia are present in rabid dog. Hydrophobia is observed only in human rabies. XX bite by cats and cows also should be vaccinated. XX steroids and antimalarials should be avoided during vaccination as it may alter the immune response. Anthrax. It is caused by Bacillus anthracis, which is a gram-positive, aerobic, spore-forming, capsulated, non-motile, non-acid fast bacillus and is resistant to heat and antiseptics. Disease is common in cattle and seen in people who handle carcasses, wool, hairs. It is often used in biological war. B types. A. Cutaneous type, Hyde-Potter's disease. It is the most common type and occurs within 3 to 4 days after infection. Indurated papullae with black slough surrounded by vesicles, malignant pustule. Itching is common in papullae, black color eschar, anthrax means charcoal. Regional lymph nodes are involved. Tauchemia is common. B. Respiratory type, Bull-Salter's disease, is due to inhalation of spores, causing hemorrhagic pneumonia. It is more dangerous and life-threatening. C. Alimentary type, due to ingestion of spores, fatal septicemia and meningitis can occur in any type. Diagnosis. Culture of fluid will show Medusa head appearance. It shows positive Maphadine's reaction and positive Ascoli's thermoprecipitation test. Treatment. Antibiotics, ciprofloxacillin, doxycycline, penicillins given. Alum precipitated anthrax toxoid is used in humans. Scalvo serum prepared by active immunization of asses are used.